Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today we are going to learn and write best speech on Teachers Day. So let's start the speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Veera. Today is 5th September. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and an idol teacher. He was the second Prime Minister of India. A good teacher is like a candle. Teachers make our future bright. They work hard to make us successful. They teach us good value and lessons. Thank you, teachers, for your hard work. Thank you, teachers, for everything you do.
थँक्यू. तुम्हाला जर माझे व्हिडिओ आवडले असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. अशाच नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी माझ्या चॅनलला फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राईब करून ठेवा. बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका. बाय बाय.